Your refrigerator might look a little different than this one, but don't worry, the tips may still apply, so feel free to give them a try. Fridge a little too frigid? Here are some simple solutions if you're experiencing freezing in your crisper drawer or refrigerator section. If produce is freezing in the crisper drawer, this can happen if the refrigerator hasn't been used for some time. Once you start using it more frequently, the issue should resolve itself. If not, try increasing the humidity slightly. Also, produce can be picky about humidity levels. Here are some tips for getting the setting just right for each type. For leafy vegetables, set the humidity to high or store them in a drawer without humidity control to maintain maximum moisture. For non-leafy vegetables and fruits with skin, set the humidity to low. Always rinse and dry produce before storing. And wrap any foods with strong odors or moisture content. Bonus tip: the Frigidaire Pure Air Freshness Booster removes ethylene from the crisper to keep produce fresher even longer. If food is freezing in the refrigerator section, the temperature may be set too low. Adjust it to a higher degree. And allow 24 hours for the temperature to stabilize. Food may be blocking the temperature sensor, located on the inner right side of the fridge. Be sure to allow space for air to flow to the sensor. Food could also be covering the air port. Again, allow space for air to flow. Air ports are located in the rear of the fridge. See your owner's manual for the specific location on your model. Now you know how to keep your food and veggies fresh. That should do it.